Good morning. Today we will learn more about an integer. So let's start. Today we will learn about the division of the integers. For understanding this division of the integers, let's take an example. Minus 16 divided by 4. Here you can see there are two integers along with the division symbol. In the next step we will convert this division symbol into the multiplicative symbol according to the criteria of the mathematics, and the next is integer which is present after the division symbol will convert into the reciprocal form. Here you can read only 4, but in fractional form you can also read 4 upon 1, like this one, 4 upon 1. Here 1 is present as a denominator which is hidden. There is no need to show 1 as a denominator, but after reciprocal if you find 1 as a numerator, it means you will have to show 1 as a numerator. In the next step we will write minus 16 into, I taught you about that in the next step division symbol convert into the multiplicative symbol. So here we will convert this division symbol into the multiplicative symbol, and this integer which is present, it will convert as a reciprocal, means here we can write 1 upon 4. Now here you can see that this 16 minus 16 can be divided by 4 for 4 times. So here we will divide to each other minus 4. 4 4 is 16. Now minus 4 and into 1, after multiplying both integers we will get minus 4. That is the now moving on, let's take another example. Here you can see the example is written already. Minus 46 divided by in bracket 8 minus 6. So first of all we will solve the bracket according to the BODMAS rule. In the next step we will write minus 46 divided by, and after subtracting here we will get only 2, and in the next step we will write minus 46 and this division convert into the multiplicative symbol. So here we will write multiply. Then after this here we will do the reciprocal of the 2 upon 1, we will get 1 upon 2, and here again you can see that 46 can be divided by 2 for 23 times, minus 23, and after multiplying minus 23 and into 1 we will get minus 23. That is the. Now let's take another example. Here you can see that there are two small brackets are present inside the square bracket. So first of all we will solve the small brackets. Here in the next step after multiplying here we will get 4000 divided by, here after multiplying we will get minus 50 in square bracket. In the next step we will open the square bracket. We can write 4000 divided by minus 50, and in the next step we will convert this division symbol into the multiplicative symbol. So first of all we will write 4000 multiply by, and here we will do the reciprocal of minus 50. Here we write minus 1 upon 50. Now here you can see that this 4000 can be divided by 50 for 80 times. 0 to 0 cut, then 5 8s are then 0. So after multiplying 80 into minus 1 we will get minus 8. Now moving on, the next topic, that is product using suitable properties. There are two properties. You can see that one is multiplication distributes over addition, and the second one is multiplication distributes over subtraction. Let's take an example for understanding these properties. If I write minus 28 into 105, and here after multiplying if I write minus 2940, so here you can see that answer is correct but the concept is wrong, because according to the topic, that is product using suitable properties, means here you will have to use any one property. Multiplication distributes over addition or multiplication distributes over subtraction. So here we will break the integer which is close to 100 or 200 or 300 or 500. Here you can see 105 can be break into 100 plus 5. So here in the next step we will write minus 28 into 100 plus 5. After breaking 105 we will get 100 plus 5. Now here we will multiply this minus 28 with 105. In the next step we will write minus 28 into 100 in bracket, then plus, then in bracket minus 28 into 5, and here after multiplying, here we will get minus 2800 in bracket, then plus in bracket minus 140, and after opening the bracket in the next step we will get minus 2800, then minus plus minus minus, so minus 140. And here you know very well that whenever you found both integers are negative, so they are in the addition form along with the minus symbol. So here after addition we will get minus 2940. That is the answer. Hope you understand this property. Now moving on, let's take another example. If I write 27 into 199, here you can see that this integer is close to 200, so here we will break this 199 into 200 minus 1, because after subtracting you will get 199. So in the next step we will write 27 into in bracket 200 minus 1. Now in the next step we will multiply minus 27 into 200 in bracket, then minus 27 into 1. Now here after multiplying we will get 5400 minus 27. Now here you can see that both integers are in the subtraction form, so after subtracting we will get 3, then 7, 3, 5. That is the final answer, and this property is known as multiplication distributes over subtraction. Now moving on, next topic, that is additive inverse. For real number it reverses the sign, means when you change the positive sign into negative sign or negative sign into positive sign, this process is known as additive inverse. Let's take an example. 18. Now what will be the additive inverse of 18? So answer should be additive inverse of 18 is equal to minus 18, because here you can see 18, here 18 is positive, so after additive inverse here we will get minus 18, it will convert into the negative. Let's take another example, that is minus 17. Now the solution is that additive inverse of minus 17 is equal to 17, because here 17 is in the negative form and after additive inverse it will convert into the positive form. Now let's take another example. If I write 0, so what will be the additive inverse of 0? Can you tell me? What will be the additive inverse of 0? Minus 0? No, because you know very well that 0 neither be positive nor negative, so here answer is only 0. That is the correct answer. It's all about the integers. Hope you understand. Now goodbye and take care.